The news article from Android Police turns out to be more of a quirky behind-the-scenes look at a submission page that's run into a little hiccup, where a browser extension is blocking content and displaying an error message instead. Despite the interruption, the page warmly invites readers to join the conversation by submitting their own thread. Just fill in your topic, title, and content, and you're part of the community. It even lets you attach a link or image if you want, while making sure to keep things spam-free and respectful. Overall, this fun and interactive guide from Android Police shows they really care about hearing from their users, even when technical gremlins get in the way.